Hey guys, we post everywhere with this oil and whipped cream. The whipped cream is coming next, so this is just the oil because I always use this base to finish up with the whipped cream. So guys, bear with me, but stay tuned. Let me know what you think about this production. Stay and watch and follow. Old-fashioned way, okay? Wait for it. Hey guys, the measurement is not needed here because this one is not for you. This is for my own show. I'm just showcasing what I am selling, okay? So the measurement I can't follow up with you guys. I just eyeball everything. But if you want to make your own, just use 500 ml and use everything small portion. You don't need to use big portion because remember, I'm making this the oil and the whipped butter 2 in 1. I always make the oil first, then later on I will make the whipped butter with the remaining ingredient. Okay, I use lot of aloe vera, fresh aloe vera, rosemary. I use lots of that. Okay, then I'll use the other ingredient. Watch and see, all will come up soon. So guys, if you want me to teach you how to make this oil with butter, then I'll have other cream that I make for eczema, dandruff cream. The cost is available. I can teach you for 1 month, which you only pay £1,000 for the cost. Okay, it's so affordable and you can use it to add up your skills and add into a business. If you have a salon business, you know, these things people come for them. It's a problem people are struggling with. Okay, so this oil I'm making is for edges, breakage, if people have breakage hair and everything. So I will teach you everything. We got everything ready for you. You don't have to bring your ingredients. I can provide all that. But if you want to take the product with you after you train, you can bring your own ingredients. So the program is £1,000. My course is available soon. I'll put it on my website. Okay, so if you want to buy any of these cream, guys, just call me on phone, WhatsApp. That's where you order it. Then I can able to ask you more questions with the condition of your scalp and your hair and everything, guys. Yeah, so follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe and like and ask question with the ingredient that you're not familiarized with what I use here now. You may ask question. I'm happy to explain to you guys why we're friends for on Facebook is to help one another, guys. Okay, don't forget to comment your thoughts on the comment section, guys, if you're following me on watch. We talk about a lot of things here. If you go on my page, we talk about how to relax your hair, how to maintain protein treatment. So the protein treatment is part of the course as well, which I will be able to show you how to treat relax hair. It's a lot. With this £1,000 you get a lot, guys. So I'm ready to help sister